You're just as special as anyone else in this family.
You just healed my hand with an arepa con queso.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the Arepas Con Queso from Encanto. To start, we're going to need some cheese, and quite a bit of it. For this recipe, I used 2 cups of freshly grated mozzarella cheese. Alright, all done? All done. Whoa!
Cheese. Lots of cheese.
Lots of cheese. You could use the pre-shredded, but I would avoid it. Pre-shredded comes with all of those agents to help keep it from clumping like starches. Those starches make it harder for the cheese to melt more adequately. And for these arepas, we want good melting cheese. And just like my son said, yes, we need to pour the corn next. We're going to need 1.5 cups of masarepa, pre-cooked cornmeal. Okay. Good job. To the cornmeal, add 1.5 cups of hot water.
Milk. Bubbles.
Gonna use your hands?
No.
And to the bubbly, milk-colored mixture, use your hands to mix that together into a soft dough. It should hold its shape and not be too crumbly or sticky. After this, let the dough rest for a few minutes. You're gonna add some cheese?
Cheese.
After the dough has rested, add 1 cup of the shredded mozzarella and 1 tablespoon of softened butter. Knead this dough together by hand until everything is completely combined and incorporated.
Dada.
Yes, Mason?
Where?
You're all stuck underneath this curtain. There you go. With the fully combined and kneaded dough, it's time to divide into 6 evenly sized pieces. So in case you are wondering, this recipe will make 6 arepas. With each dough piece, gently flatten out into a shallow bowl shape. And to the center of each of these, add around 1 tablespoon of the shredded cheese. Now scoop in some cheese, put it right in the center. Good job.
Cheese.
Cheese. Once the cheese is added, take the sides and gently fold them to the center. Flatten it out and shape into a round disc that's about 1/2 inch thick. Repeat this with all of the divided dough pieces until you have 6 formed arepas ready to cook. Smash it down like this. Good job. Yeah, you want to put the cheese in there? You could try filling these arepas with things other than cheese as well. Con carne, con pollo, different meats or vegetables would go great in here. So back to it, once all the arepas are prepped, it's time to cook. In a large skillet, I used a cast iron, increase the heat to medium, and add a thin layer of a neutral flavored oil like canola or vegetable. Once the oil is hot, add in the arepas directly to the pan. Cook for about 3 minutes until it's browned. Once it's browned, give it a flip and do the same to the second side. And did I attempt to flip these by hand like Maribel's mom, Julieta? Of course I did, but man, they were way too hot. She must have fingers of steel or something. Or it's just one of her mom's superpowers. You know, all moms are superheroes. Repeat the cooking on each side and flipping with the remainder of the arepas until everything is cooked hot and golden brown. And after this, there's nothing left to do other than eat and enjoy. Well, and wait just long enough that you can pick them up without burning your hands. Unless you have hands like Julieta though, then I guess you could eat them right away. These arepas con queso were fantastic. They were so easy, not to mention they give you a nice cheese pull. I drew this one out for dramatic effect, and also to see if I could get a decent thumbnail pic out of it. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and now you can make this for yourself at home. And now it's time for a taste test. And I am very pleased to announce that we have one additional scale this week. Let me introduce you to the Connor scale. Connor hasn't been able to eat most of the things I make on this channel yet, but this one he definitely could. And he definitely did. And I was gonna leave a dad joke for you all here, but unfortunately I couldn't find any. All the arepa puns were just too corny.
Do 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 do.